Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking of the Gadget Deals hard disk cover. You can see there's a WD logo on top. This is not from Western Digital. This is a look-alike. It's made by Gadget Deals. I will just show you what this particular hard disk cover looks like. And there you go. This is what it looks like. It comes with this matte black shock-proof body and also has a lanyard with it for carrying it around. Let's take a look inside quickly. And there we are. The hard disk will obviously go here, and this particular pouch is for the cable. Of course, you can put a hard disk here, but you have other storage devices, you can put them over here as well. For instance, I have a solid state drive with me. I'm going to put this here, and I also have a cable for the solid state drive. Of course, this is not as big as a hard disk, but you get the general idea about what I'm going to do. Hard disk obviously goes in over here, and the cable can go in this pouch over here. Now you close it up, and both your SSD and your cable is completely safe. And that's it. This is what you find inside the pack containing the Gadget Deals hard disk cover. Thank you for watching.